The India AI Impact Summit 2026, held in New Delhi in February, boldly advanced India's Vishwaguru vision, uniting more than 100 nations to champion inclusive, ethical AI for the Global South. More in this report.
The India AI Impact Summit 2026, held in February, positioned India as a rising global AI leader under its Vishwaguru vision of guiding the world through inclusive and ethical innovation. The Manav framework was introduced, emphasizing moral, accountable, national sovereignty focused, accessible, and valid AI, shifting discourse from safety risks to real world impact for the global south. More than 100 countries participated, culminating in the New Delhi Declaration inspired by the principle of Sarvjan Hitai, Sarvjan Sukhai, that is, welfare of all, happiness of all. The declaration emphasizes that the benefits of AI should be shared equally with the whole of humanity. The India AI Impact Summit 2026 concluded with the New Delhi Declaration, endorsed by 91 countries and organizations, launching the Charter for Democratic Diffusion of AI, Framework for Trusted AI Commons, Guidance Note on AI Governance, Principles for Skilling and Reskilling, Guiding Principles on Resilient AI, and the Alliance for Advancing Inclusion through AI, alongside Frontier AI Impact Commitments. It emphasized inclusive, human-centric growth with pillars focused on people, planet, and progress. The summit highlighted India's push for sovereign AI stack and applications in healthcare, agriculture, and education. Despite logistical challenges, it marked a transition from vision to action, reinforcing India's role in equitable global AI governance. Antara Sinha for DD India.